prompt must have these all or some of features. 1. Clarity. The prompt should be easy to understand and unambiguous. e.g., generate test cases for a login page is better than write something about login. 2. Specificity. The more details you give, the better the result. e.g., create 5 test cases for a login form with email, password, and remember me checkbox. 3. Context. Providing background helps the AI respond more accurately. e.g., assume you're a senior software QA tester reviewing mobile app performance. 4. Format guidance. Tell the AI how to structure the output. e.g., list test cases in a table with columns. Test case ID, description, expected result. 5. Role-based framing. Framing the AI's role helps guide tone and depth. e.g., act as a security tester and suggest 5 vulnerabilities to check. 6. Constraints or limits. Limit scope to focus the output. e.g., only suggest boundary test cases for numeric inputs between 1 and 100.